Hello everyone and welcome to another video by Upgrade or Trash It. In this video, still working with the Latitude E6420, and what I want to do is I want to install ChromeOS Flex on it. Flex is a new operating system from Google targeted at older laptops, which is perfect because the E6420 was first launched in something like September 2011, so that's a long time ago. Now I've already installed Flex onto this laptop with its old SATA drive and 4 GB of RAM installed. But what I've done is I've upgraded this now to an SSD drive and I put 8 GB of RAM. So on the old system, Flex took about 11 minutes to install. So let's see how quickly ChromeOS Flex can install on this system. So I'm going to get my I'll get my stopwatch ready and then we can go from there. Okay, so here we go. So I've just done F12 to get into the boot menu. Going to go to the select the USB storage device. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my location selected as United Kingdom and the keyboard as UK, of course. I'm not worried about accessibility at the moment. I'm going to install it on the hard drive. I'm not going to run it from the USB. Okay, here we go. These are just these messages telling me that everything on the hard drive will be wiped. Now, just to say, I bought the SSD that I bought, that I've installed on this, I bought for about £12 on eBay in the UK. It's a reconditioned one, and you can buy a very similar one in the US for about $14 or $15. And the RAM costs about the 4 gigabytes of RAM costs about £7 on eBay in the UK, and having had a look on eBay in the US, it's going to cost you about $8. Now, when I installed Windows 10 on this same SSD, it took about 15 minutes to install. And when I installed Windows 10 on the old SATA drive, it took about 35 minutes to install. So that was a saving of 20 minutes, well over half the amount of time of the installation was saved because I was using the SSD. Okay, so it says it's complete. But what it needs, we need to shut down, and it needs to restart itself and stuff. Now, on previous installations, there's been a bit of a kind of glitch when it goes into this shutdown mode, because it doesn't seem to restart itself. Yeah, so we manually need to restart it. And even though it said installation is complete in just over 5 minutes, we still need to log in with our username and everything else. Okay, so we have to do this again, all a bit strange. Okay, let me just connect to my network. Just going to accept terms and conditions. Okay, we've just gone over the 8-minute mark. This is all about setting up the voice assistant, which is already kind of set up on my phone and other devices, so shouldn't take long. Okay, and there we go. So 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, considering I was faffing around trying to find the password for my internet, I think we could reasonably say that was 8 minutes. So it's whereas on the old SATA drive it took 11 minutes, this took 8 minutes to install. So it's a saving of 3 minutes. So that is still pretty impressive. Okay, thank you for watching.